Hello friends, welcome to the second session of Hybris learning. In this session, we will learn how to install b2c accelerator. So to install b2c accelerator, the first thing you need to have is the zip file of Hybris e-commerce suite. So like I already have this zip file of Hybris e-commerce suite. In case you don't have, you can comment me in the comment section of this video, then I can provide you this zip file separately. So currently I have, so what I will do, I will extract this zip file. Remember, you always need to use the 7-zip while extracting this zip file, because the size of this zip is very large, and in case you use any other tool you might lose any files and then you will encounter further problems during the setup. So always use 7-zip during the extraction of this zip file. So I'm using the 7-zip and I will simply click on the extract to Hybris C, and always remember the name of this zip file should be very small. So I have extracted this and it will take some time, so let's wait for that to extract. So guys, as you can see now, this zip file has been extracted and a new folder has been created. If we go inside this folder, you can see there are multiple folders inside it. So we have a Hybris folder and we have an installer folder. So if I go inside a Hybris folder, you will see there is one more folder, bin folder. And guys, keep this in mind, currently we have only one folder, which is bin folder inside the Hybris folder. So when we install b2c accelerator, there will be other folders like config folders as well get created automatically after we install the b2c accelerator. So inside the bin folder we have another different folders which we will discuss later on in this video, and this is the important folder, platform folder, where the important platform files are present. So if I go outside and go to the installer folder, here we have installer files to install multiple accelerators. Like in our case, we need to install the b2c accelerator. So how we can install that? So firstly we need to reach on this path, and then we need to go to the command line. We need to open the command line. So guys, before we install the b2c accelerator, you need to keep in mind you should have Java installed in your computer, and the version of Java should be at least 1.8. If you don't know how to install the Java and how to download the Java, you can check my latest video in the description box and as well as above the top of this video as well. So I will open the command line. So now I have opened the command line, and to open the b2c accelerator, so I need to type a command, and the command is, so this is the command, install.bat -r and the accelerator b2c accelerator plus. So once I fire this command, so it will automatically start copying the file inside my Hybris folder. So you can see it has started downloading the files. It will take some time, approximate 3 to 4 minutes it takes, and within that it copies all the files related to this. So let's wait for this to finish. I will not cut this portion because I want you to see what actually is getting copied while we fire this command. So you can see, and in case you guys get any error during this installation, so you can double cross from here, till what step you have reached and at what step you got what error. You can paste that error in my comment box of this video, so that I can help you in resolving the error. So one thing you have to keep in mind, your extraction zip tool should be the 7-zip, and then you should have Java, at least Java version of 1.8 installed in your computer, otherwise this will throw error. So as you can see, now the files are getting copied and it is installing multiple recipes. So guys, now you can see the finally build is successful, and let's now navigate to our folder, how the directory structure looks like now. So if I go inside the Hybris folder, and if you remember previously we had only one folder inside this Hybris folder. Now let's see what is inside this folder. And now you can see new folders have been created, the config folder. So these new folders have been created according to our b2c accelerator. So if I go inside the config folder, you will see I do have local.property file. We will discuss these files in detail in our upcoming videos. So these two are the important files: local extension .xml file and then local.property file. These two are very important files. And if I go inside the bin folder and now go inside the platform folder, so I would need to fire another command. So what I will do, I will firstly close the existing command line window. You need to do the same. So now I will open the command line here. So I will again type a command cmd and will press enter. So once I press the enter, this command line window gets opened. So guys, once this window gets open, you need to fire another command to create the module gen. So I have fired the command ent module gen dinput.module is the accelerator. So this is we are installing the accelerator, and then the name is training. So this is the package structure name which you need to give, because we are here for the training purpose. So I have given its name as training. So this dinput.package is the package name, de.hybris.training. Usually this de.hybris, this is the standard name, and after that you can give the name as your wish. So I will simply press enter. So once I press the enter, it is giving an error and is not recognized as internal or external command. So what I have to do, I have to fire another command which is set ant environment.bat. So what you have to do is, like I have written set ant, and then if you press the tab key, like I have pressed the tab key, it auto completes this command. So once I fire this command, it will automatically start recognizing the ant commands in this current session. So I will press enter button, and you can see it has printed setting ant home to this location, Hybris bin platform Apache ant location. Now if I fire the same command, so what I have to do, I am just pressing the upper arrow key. So I am just pressing the upper arrow key. When I press the upper arrow key, it will start showing the commands which I already typed in this current session. So in this current session I typed only two commands, that is why it is showing these two commands only. So I'm pressing the upper arrow key, you have to do the same thing. So again I am firing the same command and I am pressing the enter. So once I press the enter, it will start copying the files and it will start building the structure. So it will again take some time. Let's wait for this command to finish. So guys, now you can see ent module gen command has been finished and it has taken approximately 7 minutes 28 seconds in my system. So this will approximately take same time in your operating system as well. So the next step are mentioned here already. You need to add the following extensions. So like if I show you the directory structure, so if I go to Hybris and then go inside bin and inside the custom, so this is a newly created folder. So if I go inside it, you will see we do have multiple modules here. So if we want to use these modules, we need to include these modules or include these extensions in our local extension info.xml. So we will go to local extension info.xml. So for that we are inside Hybris folder, then we will go to config folder and then we will open the local extensions .xml file. So I will open this with Notepad++. If you are a Hybris developer, it is better for you to download the Notepad++. It has multiple utilizations. So I have already installed this. So I have opened this local extension .xml. So you can see already multiple extensions are configured here. So now we have to add our extensions here. So what I will do, so I will just simply copy these extensions from here and will paste here. So I am doing something like this. I will paste here. You can see I have pasted it. So but I will change the format of these extensions like these. So what I will do, you can see now the utilization of Notepad++. So what I will do, I will just select this and will remove this altogether. So you can see now I will like here it is written as name, so I will change this directory to name. You can see I have changed it, and then I need to remove all these things and has to replace this with single quote. So you can see I have replaced this whole structure with single quote. If you want me to make a video on these tricks of the Notepad++, just comment me in the comment section. I will create a video for you on this as well. So you can see I have done this. So I will just simply replace double quote with a single quote. So I have done this. So guys, you need to follow the exact same steps. In case you miss any step, you will get error in your future installation or future steps. So just copy the same steps which I am doing. So I have changed this, and so I will just do Ctrl S and will save this file. Now if you open this, it is written here you have to remove the extensions below extensions. So Y accelerator fulfillment process, like let's search this Y accelerator fulfillment process. So what I am doing here, I am just selecting this and then press enter. So in this way it gets copied. So I will again open the Notepad++ and then we'll try to search this. So you can see the extension is here. So I need to remove this. So why I am removing this extension, because we already have a training fulfillment process which is our customized extension. So we need to remove these already installed extensions. So I am removing this. Similar way we need to remove other extensions as well. Some extensions will be there, some will be not, some will not be there. So whichever extensions are there in our local extension info.xml, we need to remove this. So cockpit extension is there, so I am removing this. Let's search for the core extension. You can see the core extension is not there. So let's skip this. Um, let's search for the facade. It is also not there. So guys, I know it is bit a lengthy video, but I think I should show you all the steps, because if you miss even a single step, your whole installation will get failed. So that is why this video is a bit lengthy. And in case you want me to give my local extension info.xml file, you can comment me in the comment section, then I can provide you the my local extension.xml where I have already done these changes. So just let me know in the comment section, and there you can share your email ID. Don't share your personal email ID, just create a new email ID just only for your Hybris setup, and you can share that email ID, but don't share your personal email ID. So it is also not there. Let's search for this, but I know this is also. Let's search. Yeah, it is there. So I'm removing this as well, and then we will search for the last extension, which is Y accelerator storefront. So let's see if it is there or not. Yeah, it is there, so I will remove this. So now finally we are ready. So I will be saving this, and just let me know in case you need this file. So guys, after you have done the changes in the local extension.xml file, you need to do the changes in the local property file. So what I will do, I will open my local.property file. So here is my local.property file. So again, I will open this in Notepad++. So I will right click over here and edit with Notepad++. And I need to add the below keys, below configurations in my local.property files. So why I have added these key and value pair. So with this this is the URL for opening our storefront or opening our local website. So that is why I need to add these URL as well in my local.property file. So after that, once I have added these URL in my local.property file, I need to do one more change. I need to change my host file as well. So let's open my host file. So to open your host file, what you need to do, you just have to press window key and then R key. So automatically this run window will get opened, and then you need to write drivers, and after writing drivers you need to click on OK button. And once you click OK, this window will get opened, and then you need to click on etc folder, and here you can see you have host file. So once you open the host file, you just remember you need to open the host file with the admin rights. So you must have admin rights for your system to do the changes in the host file. So once you open the host file, you need to add the below configuration or below URL in your host file. I will give this in description box of this video. You can copy from there as well, or you can ask me in the comment section. I can give you local extension.xml file and local.property file and host file as well. So you need to add this entry in your host file. So these are the three changes which you have to do in your local extension.xml, local.property file and hosts file. So once you have done these changes, then we are ready for the ant initialization. So to do ant initialize, what you need to do, you have to open the command line window again, and then you need to fire the ant initialize command. So just one more thing before we do the anti-initialize, we need to learn two concepts. Firstly, you can add the add-ons as well. So if you are following wiki Hybris link, so there's a one command given to add the add-ons. So if you are running that command, that will throw an error. So during the anti-initialize you will get an error. So for that you need to fire separate commands, which I will give you in the description box. So you need to fire those commands if you want to install the add-ons in as well in the your system. But that is not a necessary part for B2C accelerator. Currently I'm skipping that portion. But if you want to install add-ons, don't use the command which is given there on the wiki Hybris. So because it will throw errors during the anti-initialize. So now I am firing the anti-initialize command. So what actually this command does? So anti-initialize command will basically fire the multiple queries in the database. It will basically create our database structure, HSQL database structure in the backend. So this command will multiple queries like DDL query and DML queries. So I will show you all those things as well when I will fire this anti-initialize command. So but this command gonna takes lots of time, around 1 hour time this command will take. So be patient. Now I am firing this command anti-initialize, and as you can see I have fired this command. So when you fire this command you get multiple type of errors. So one error is like your port is occupied. Just let me know in case you get that error, because once you fire this anti-initialize command, generally your port gets occupied, so it throws an error. Or you have a memory issue like heap out of space error. So just let me know in case you get those errors. I have solutions for those as well, so I will let you know the solutions for those as well. So it is going to take some time. Let's wait for this command to get finished, and as I said, this will take approximately 1 hour to finish. And one more thing I can show you what you have to do, because I will be skipping this. I can't show you the whole logs because then this video length will be very high. So what you can do in between, you can go to Hybris and then you can go to config, and then you can go to you don't need to go to config, you need to go on the data folder, and inside the data folder you will see multiple with the time multiple files will get created. So currently it is in the initial state. Once it will start executing the or start creating the HSQL database, so there you will see at this place you will see multiple new files related to HSQL database will get created. So you can open those files and you can see like what all type of queries or what all type of impacts it is running. So we will be covering the impacts as well in our upcoming videos, but just to learn what this anti-initialize command is doing. So this is the folder which is most important. You will see multiple files getting created over here and multiple type of changes here. So if you want to see where my HSQL database is created, so this is the place where your HSQL database gets created. So guys, once anti-initialization is completed, you need to bring your server up. And for that you need to write this command hybris server.bat. So once you write this command and press enter, the Hybris server will start coming up. So it will use the 9001 port. So in case you get an error like port is already in use, just let me know, because in that case your 9001 port is being used by any other service. Maybe that service is a system service. So in case you are getting that error, just let me know. I will give you a solution for the same. So you have to comment in the comment box of this video if you are getting this error. So now the server is getting up. It will take some time, so let's wait for that. So guys, now you can see my server has been started up, and there was no exception when I started my server. In case you get any type of exception, just let me know. Don't ignore any exception, because if there is a single exception in your logs, so that will create a problem in opening the storefront. So most of the people get exception related to enhanced cookie generator class file not found. So in case you are also getting that exception, just comment me in the comment box of this video. I will give you the solution for the same. But currently my server is up, so let's see, let's try to open our storefront, our local website, how it looks. So I will just copy one of the URL. You can choose your favorite URL in out of these URLs. So I have opened the Chrome browser and I'm just pasting this URL, and let's see how it goes, whether my storefront opens or not. So you can see my storefront or my local website is getting opened. So it means b2c accelerator setup was successful. As you can see, the site has fully loaded, everything is there. So we will be discussing in detail for all of these things in our next video, so stay tuned to that. So let's see whether we are able to open the back office tools or not. So I am just copying this URL and then I will just write HSC. HSC is one of the cockpit. So in case you don't know about the HSC, you don't need to worry. I will completely explain these cockpits in detail in my next video. So you can see this is getting opened, and my username is admin and the password is Nimda. The same password will work for you as well. So you can also use the username as admin and the password is Nimda, Nimda. So I'm clicking on the login button. So once I click on the login button and press over here, so my HSC is getting opened. In the similar way, there are other back office tools. We will discuss those tools separately in our next video. So our b2c accelerator installation setup has been completed. So everything is working as expected. So guys, in case you have any problems, any issues in installation, just let me know. I will definitely help you. So you just have to comment your queries in the comment box of this video. So guys, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. So have a great day. Thank you. Bye.